Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is James and I like making videos in my free time for fun. I didn't expect to get a lot of good feedback from my last video, and so I decided to quickly edit this one for reaching 50 subscribers. Thank you all so much for enjoying the content, and let's get to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the mess of what was building my first ever gaming PC. Woo! Yay! After playing Minecraft on my MacBook Pro in grade 6, yes, I know, I was a Mac gamer. Gross. You can roast me in the comments, but it was all I had. But I finally got to build my own gaming PC. This is just a disclaimer, but this isn't a tutorial of any sort, so don't have your expectations high. This is just me showing you how it was like to build my first ever gaming PC. I'm not an expert, so don't really expect too much, but I did have fun in the process of recording it and building, of course. And also, I did do my research before purchasing all my parts, as well as I was fortunate enough to build during a time where lots of parts were in stock. I actually got my parts before and after the week of Black Friday, so I did get a lot of good deals. And I got most of my parts from Amazon as well as Canada Computers, and I will list all my parts down below in the description. The theme that I went for my PC was just an average budget build because I wanted to play games with some good FPS as well as do some minimal schoolwork on it. And I do hope to upgrade later down the line when I do need to, but as of right now, I'm happy with my build and I'm happy with how it turned out. So as you just saw, I just unboxed all the packages that my parts came in, and now it's time for the actual building part. Building the actual PC did take a couple of hours, so I do recommend you guys starting a bit early if you can. While building, I made sure that my area was clean and that there is nothing in my way to create any static electricity. Fun fact, I actually almost built my whole PC on my carpet, but I was smart enough to put it away, because static is bad, and static can also fry your motherboard, so don't do it. I made sure to also watch as many building PC tutorials as I could, and while building I actually was following one, and that made everything much more easier and smoother. I really recommend that if it's your first time building a PC to do your research and to make sure that you don't mess anything up. So before assembling everything, I tried to get everything out of its package, and this was hands down one of the most satisfying parts. I remember how surreal this moment was and how excited I was just to play on a new PC. Now here's me trying to carefully put the CPU in and getting it right on the first try. This part was definitely more nerve-wracking than I expected, but satisfying when you do it right. Now it's time for the RAM. I absolutely love the RGB on my RAM, and I do recommend this one. Here I was just taking off any of the excess plastic that was on the motherboard because you don't want those to melt off. Next was installing my SSD, and this part was as well relatively easy, and I can definitely say Black Friday came in clutch. Next, I did install my CPU fan off camera, and as you can notice later on that I do most of the things off camera, and this was because I kind of forgot that I was filming for most part, and I was really excited in getting everything done right and properly that I kind of forgot I was filming. Now it's time to install the power supply, and this was also relatively easy, except I didn't know where to plug in some wires into the actual power supply, and so I did have to do more additional search for that, but in the end, I got it to work. Next is my GPU, and this was really fun to unbox just because MSI did include some comics of that sort inside the box as well as some other things, which was really nice. Overall, I'm really happy with my GPU. I love the RGB and I love the performance. It is a great budget GPU. So unfortunately, these are the last clips I recorded of me building my PC, but since I did build this in December, I have made some changes such as replacing the spaghetti PSU wires that come with the PSU with white ones and adding some budget RGB fans. I do plan on doing a setup tour in the near future, so let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you that likes, comments, or even just lurks. I plan to make more content for fun in the future, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification because I do post spontaneously. Lastly, enjoy this clip of me finally taking off the plastic off my PC case. This is how my PC looks like currently, but anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!